How to fix Facebook two-factor code not receiving. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Facebook's two-factor authentication code not receiving. So let's dive right in. To fix that issue, what you will need to do is you will need to resend the code. So if you're on your Facebook and you are on that very section where you can type in the code, you'll find a resend code option. Tap on it. If that does not work, you can also tap on try another way. If the code still does not arrive, what you can do is you can use an alternative method such as using your email address or recovery code. What you can do is you can remove the Facebook from your background if nothing works. Let me just head back here, swipe up and remove it from the background, and then go back to the login page and try to log in again and wait for the code. What you can do again is if nothing works, you can just check for your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection, and also check your phone number or email address that you use on your Facebook. If nothing works, make sure that your VPN is turned off. Go to your settings, go to network and internet. There you'll find VPN. Make sure you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, disable the VPN and then try again. What you can also try is to check your email's spam or junk folder. So locate your email or Gmail app and then open it up. Then tap on the three lines on the top left. Then head over to spam. And if you see any mails here relating to the code, you can remove it from the spam and then use that very code. And yeah, those are the basic fixes, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.